What is happening, everyone? Got another reset for you today. We're doing a hard reset on a MaxWest Astro A63. Pretty cool budget phone. This one's actually in a blue color. Most of them are in a black, but you really don't see this color very often, so that's kind of neat. But we'll do a hard reset on this. If you have a pattern or password that you forgot what it is and you need to delete all the data on the phone, I'll show you how to do that. Just another heads up, guys, we got a ton of stuff coming up, so if you can subscribe, you'll see a bunch more hard resets and teardowns that we got coming up, and if you want to see something specific, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you as soon as possible. Otherwise, just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone, so bear that in mind. If anything important on the phone, it will be deleted. So let's get right into it. You have with the phone off, in this case it's off, you can either pop the back cover and then take the battery out, wait like 5-10 seconds and put it back in. Fastest way to turn the phone off. But you have your volume up here, volume down, and power, and we want to hold volume up and power. So I'm already holding volume up, and I'm going to hold power. And when the phone turns on like that, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. And it'll get us right into our reset menu. Your volume buttons navigate, and then your power button will select. So we'll navigate down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, and then confirm, so hit it again. And now all the data is deleted, and we can just hit reboot system now. And this will take us to the welcome screen. And then from there, you can navigate the phone and set it up how you wish, and then it'll be on the home screen. So there you go. That's how you do a hard reset on a MaxWest Astro A63. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, we'd appreciate a like, share, comment, all that great stuff. But otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.